Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Google Password Manager while signed into the correct Google account. Why? Because passwords are tied to that account. Accessing the manager unlocks saved credentials. Once signed in, go to Chrome Settings, autofill passwords, or directly open passwords. Google.com. Make sure you have two-step verification or your phone nearby. Google may ask for a code. These steps confirm your identity, so you can safely view or export saved passwords without delays. Once inside Password Manager, search for the site or app name to narrow results quickly. You'll see usernames and a hidden password field. Click the eye icon to reveal a password, and then authenticate with your Google password or device PIN. This extra step protects your data. If you have many entries, use filters or sort by last changed to find the newest credentials. Make sure to note associated email addresses so you pick the correct account when multiple results appear. You can export passwords as a CSV for backup, but do this sparingly and keep that file encrypted. It's readable by any app. To improve security, edit weak or reused passwords now and switch to strong, unique passphrases. If an entry is obsolete or suspicious, remove it and clear browser caches to prevent autofill errors. Troubleshooting tip: if passwords don't appear, sign out and back in, verify two-step settings, and check you're using the correct Google account. This usually resolves access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.